Right. There's also another issue we want to unravel here. There is what you call city chants of righteousness. Can you expand more on that?
Okay, let me elaborate what I was trying to say there. When we say city righteous chart, we measure every city. Even when Sodom and Gomorrah was destroyed, God and Abraham was measuring in Genesis chapter 18, verse 17. God was measuring with Abraham, if there is 50 people in the city, I will not destroy. So every month in heaven, all the righteous charts are being measured. Every city, even the whole world, every city is measured. So I just produced the 10 cities only. Like I said, Harare, it's 60%. It's 60 people who are righteous. But
60 people who are righteous.
Yes.
The whole of Harare.
Let me
So where is you and me?
let me explain what I'm saying. These are the people who are righteous by works. Who never sinned. It's a 60. Then there are another group which is called.
Before we go there, among the 60, can you just name top 5?
We can mention Prophet Madungwe. That's the person who was
number 1.
But God said only release that name, not other names.
Prophet. There's something that can.
I'm not allowed, but that's our, like, okay, let me say, even in army, for you to get the secrets of the army, you must be in the army. For you to get these names, you need to be in the heavenly ranks. So if you're outside the heavenly ranks, we cannot tell the names, because it will cause confusion and chaos to the world. We don't want to do that.
Apa matiomesera nokuti tanga tichida kuziva kuti vatsveno vari muHarare pavanhu 60 ava ine ndiri papi ndandimo here.
I said these people are by works, but there is another group by faith. Atina kurelease that number.
Atipfuurire mberi nekutaura nezve the city chants of righteousness. You said in Harare there are 60 righteous people, and which are the cities? Can you tell us and the numbers of people who are righteous in those cities?
Okay, we have another city which is Exile. Exile City, it's our church. According to the heavenly plan, it is called a nation. So it's a nation, the prophet Madungwe. From anyone who believes in the prophet Madungwe, it's a nation itself. Even Abraham was a nation in a nation. So our church is measured as a nation on earth.
How many righteous in your church?
5,000 internationally. This is measured in, because even if you stay in the UK, it's just one nation. We don't no borders, no whatever. The whole world
is a global village.
Yeah, it's a global nation. Whether in America will be nation. So it's 5,000.
5,000. And you can go.
And we have Jerusalem 300.
But before we go to other cities, the Exile City, which is your church, has got 5,000 righteous globally, everywhere, in different centers of the world. How many members does Exile Desire of All Nations ministry have?
So far, I think we have more than 500,000 according to the heavenly measurement, which was conducted in May. More than 500.
And they are all paying tithes?
No, our church is a church of all nations, but the main branch is in Zimbabwe. But anyone who believes in my word and follow my doctrine falls under exilic nation.
Do they pay tithes anyway?
Yeah, if there's God's law for people to pay tithe, but we don't force people to pay tithe.
Okay. Right. Continue with the city charts
of righteousness. Then Johannesburg also is there with 80. Lagos is there again. Accra is there again with the 77. New York is there again. London is there, I think, and Paris is there with the 25.
Lagos, with those millions of people in Lagos, there are only 38 righteous people in Nigeria. And this is where Prophet TB Joshua comes from, and it means maybe it could be one of them. I can't answer for that one because these are secrets of the heaven, like what Pastor Madungwe is saying. New York is only 50. Can you imagine? Jerusalem of all places, has got only 300. But Pastor Prophet Talent Madungwe's church has got the Exile City Church has got 5,000, and Jerusalem has got 300. We think Jerusalem amusha wakanaka, and you are telling us there are only 300.
Yeah, I said Zim is now the Holy Land, so we are comparing the old Holy Land and the new Holy Land.
Okay, right.